Hello dear student, welcome back to a new lesson, which is we are going to talk about pet animals in this lesson. Before we start, what are the pet animals? If we give a definition of the pet animals, we say are those animals that we can keep them at farm or at the house, we take benefit from them. For example, this is all the pictures of the pet animals. We can keep them, we can have at house or at the farm, and we take benefit from them. For example, hello, I am a farmer. I have got a lot of pet animals in my farm. We have got hens. They give us eggs. This is hen gives us eggs. We take benefit from hens by giving us eggs. We keep cow. Cow gives us milk and we eat its meat. For example, we keep cow and cow gives us milk and we eat its meat. We take benefit by two things. For example, it gives the cow gives us milk and we eat its meat, the cow's meat. Another one, we keep cats and cats chase their mouse. For example, this is cat and this is the picture cat and this is the picture of mouse. Another one, we keep pigs as a pet animal, as pet animals. This is the picture of pet animal, which is pig. Another one, we keep sheep as a pet animal. They give us wool. This is the wool and we take benefit from its wool and we eat its meat. I have got 2 dogs as a pet. He says, I have got 2 dogs as a pet. My father has got a white horse. My father has got a white horse. This is the picture of his father and this is his father's horse. Thanks for listening, and this is all about the pet animals. As you see in the picture, this is rooster, or you can say hens, and this is mouse, and this is horse and dog, pigs and sheep, and this is rooster, this is hen. Thanks for watching and listening. I hope you enjoyed the video.